Greetings, dear friends, and welcome once more to this channel. I am Ken Jerry, your software developer. Today, we are going to be talking about operators and field read in the C programming language. Before we get started, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. We are going to start with the arithmetic operators in C. For the arithmetic operators, we have the plus or the addition, the subtraction, the division, and the multiplication operator. Those are arithmetic operators. For comparison operators, we have the greater than, the less than, the equal to, the not equal to operator, which are comparison operators. We equally have logical operators, which are we have the double and that checks for both conditions to be true. For example, if b is greater than 4 and b is less than 8, if both conditions are true, then it returns a true value. That is the AND logical operator. We have the OR logical operator that check for at least one condition to be true. If b is greater than 5 or b greater than 10, if any of the condition is true, then it returns a true value. We have the logical operator NOT, which returns false if the result is true, and it returns true if the input is false. After we have talked about uh, operators in C, now we want to talk about how we can print integer using the field rate. You need to note that sometimes it's useful to be able to tell the C language how many print columns you want. For example, if we wish to print the value of n in 5 print columns, we could specify that with the field rate of 5. Like we can see, printf percentage 5d means we need 5 print columns. In other cases, when we are dealing with float and doubles, we might equally want to specify not only the field rate, but the number of decimal places that we wish to print. In that case, we can specify like above printf percentage 6.2f, which means that we want 6 print column and 2 decimal places. Let's go on code block so you can see this in practice. So now I am on code block. Let me increase the screen size. So I will start by adding a comment example fill it. Let me save the file. So now let's start. I'll start with the basic structure of a C program. So let's declare our variables. So I'm going to declare a variable of type int. I will assign the value of 9876. Another variable of type int, void b, assign it the value of -3. Another variable of type int c, assign the value. I use printf in the output. Remember that since a variable are of type Remember that since a variable are of type int, the format specifier is percentage %d. Do it. Let's run and see. So you can see that actually a variable has been printed. Yeah. But let's now add a field width so you will see the difference. Let me add a field width of 5. I'll build it again. So you will see that for the first variable that was made up of 4 field width, another field width has been added here. Same for this, and same for the third variable. Let's now take let's now add another variable of type double so that you'll be able to see how the decimal how we can specify the number of decimal places. So I declare a variable of type d of type double itd, assigning the value of 679.688976. That's it. If I come back here, I will just variable is d. Now I would say I need 6 and then 3 decimal places. Let me build it. That's one. So you can see that there's a problem somewhere. Oh, sorry. The format specifier for a double is LF. Let me do it now and run. So you can see that we now have our 3 decimal places as we specify and our field width. So thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our content. Thanks.